Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. How are you guys? So far on behalf of Master Video Best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. This video, how to remove dark spot in 2 minutes Adobe Photoshop and to learn and master video. And I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I'd like to say that those who are the new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share on the friend circle. And you will get motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So friend, in this image the and dark spot, the basically dark spot, the marking the dark spot. Okay, this is the face value and the dark spots remove 2 minutes. Okay, this is the condition in this video. In the properties and panel of select the and marks and select the marks and the hairline and brush tool or path tool. Hairline and brush tool. Okay, hairline the brush tool, the and shift as the shoulder and the left and right edge of the selection and the choose output to the selection. Okay, this is the hairline the brush tool. Okay, this is the hairline the brush tool and the image of the and big size. Then the okay, this is the remove the all dark space. Okay, this is the condition and the dark spots the remove all 1-2 minutes. Okay, this is the all size in the dark spot and remove. This is the condition and the condition. Control U the face the and the highlight the picture then and the remove all side and dark spot. Okay, this is the condition. So friend, and the and when the leaving the select and marks an original background, this is the original background, come to the back and fix. This is the next step. This is the and condition and the 2 minute and dark spots remove. Okay, this is the all condition and the my video is the condition totally dark spot and remove. Okay, this is the dark spot and the remove. Okay, this is the dark spots and remove. Okay, this is the dark spot and all dark spot and remove in this total case in the same color. Okay, this is the same ways. Okay, this is the condition. So friend, no more today, and those are still subscribe my channel and please subscribe very quickly and the bell icon button and stay with us kinds of new video inshallah. So Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.